that we're all going to witness together. Now, as many of you are aware, Vicks is one of the world's leading healthcare brands. And it has been, of course, in India since 1960s. Vicks has always been known for giving all of us relief and care. You know, by addressing the issue of और खिच-खिच जैसे लोग कहते हैं इंडिया में, Vicks Cough Drops has of course become an absolute household name and is known for providing that much needed quick relief from cough, thus helping millions of us overcome discomfort. Vicks Cough Drops were known for, it's known as a brand that's known for its iconic campaigns, and that is exactly why we are here today. We are here today to unveil, to launch the latest campaign, ladies and gentlemen. And believe me when I say this, it's going to be an exciting. Tell me, did it unlock any childhood memories? I mean, we're talking about Vicks, which is an iconic brand.
To be honest, we all relate to Vicks since childhood. We always thought that we might be the face of Vicks right now, but since young kids, every time we are so thrown warm to Vicks, and every time in the night you're coughing, mom would rub Vicks on your chest, and I'm sure all mothers have done that. So I think you relate to Vicks from a very young age, and it's something that you'll always remember in your lifetime. I mean, Vicks ki goli lo uski dur karo is something that we don't know. And now it's Vicks Core India also, but Vicks is always relevant and will always be relevant.
Absolutely, and I think when you ask the nation to cheer, it's only understood that we're all going to follow. So I have a question for you, which is that I think Vicks Cough Drop is also doing another special version